23, we have the 16-17 Series 1 Retail Box Break. We have a Portraits for Columbus of Sonny Milano. Young Guns for Toronto of Zach Hyman. Canvas for Edmonton of Leon Draisaitl. Portraits for St. Louis of Alex Pietrangelo. We have a Young Guns canvas for the New York Islanders of Anthony Beauvillier. Young Guns for Carolina of Trevor Carrick. Shining Stars for Philadelphia of Claude Giroux. We have a game jersey for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Young Guns for the New York Rangers of Jimmy Vesey. Canvas for Pittsburgh of Phil Kessel. We have a Young Guns duel of Austin Matthews and William Nylander for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Shining Stars for Chicago. Oh my gosh, I apologize. Artemi Panarin. Portraits for Toronto of Morgan Riley. Canvas of Ryan O'Reilly for St. Buffalo. And a Young Guns for Montreal of Mikhail Sergachev. Shining Stars Blue for Washington of Backstrom. Young Guns for Columbus of Zach Werenski. Shining Stars for Calgary of Sean Monahan. And last pack mojo is the base. There we go.